Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy heart. Make a ring and crochet 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over twice and make treble crochet into the ring. Yarn over twice again and make the second treble crochet. Make the third treble crochet. Then we'll make 4 double crochets into the ring. The first one, the second, the third, and the fourth double crochet. After that, make treble crochet. Make 4 double crochets. One, two, three, four, and 3 treble crochets. The first, the second, and the third. Then crochet 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a slip stitch into the ring. Tighten up your ring. Make 1 chain stitch and cut your yarn. Our nice small heart is ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!